Hi, my name is Ariel, and today I'm going to tell you what my mom and like and what we doesn't like. My mother is a keen and a helpful person, and he's the person I trust he is most. She really likes going out for walks, listening to music, and reading a lot. And me, I like sport, going out with my friends, and from to time I like to read. I read politic histories or stories about rare cars in humanity. They are very exciting. I also like to listen to music just like my mom. My mom and me love tacos, especially the Pastor Kings. We also like the rain, the forest, cats, and dogs. My mom loves bears, but I doesn't like them much. My mom's favorite flowers are peonies. She loves lasagna. Also, I prefer pizza. She also loves the beach, but I prefer forest much more. Uh, One of the things my mom doesn't like is the hat and she hates blood. Such. She also don't like the dozen or socks. I don't dislike soccer, but I doesn't like things. The things I don't like are cookie and mics. My mom likes to dress in casual blues, casual jeans, and she also loves leaks trees coats. She also likes casual t-shirts, and me, I like cargo pants or pants, the most casually t-shirts with pants in really like sweaters with prints.